Hi, and welcome to Inside Us. In this video, we will talk about lymphatic system and its role in the formation of human body. The lymphatic system is a crucial part of the body's immune system and helps to protect the body against disease and infection. It is a network of vessels, organs, and tissues that help to remove waste and toxins from the body, as well as playing a crucial role in the immune system. Lymph vessels. The lymph vessels are a network of thin-walled vessels that run parallel to the circulatory system. They transport a clear, watery fluid called lymph, which contains immune cells and waste products from the body's tissues. The lymph vessels have one-way valves that help to prevent the backflow of lymph and rely on muscle contractions and breathing to move the lymph through the vessels. The lymph vessels also pick up excess fluids, proteins, and other materials that leak out of the blood vessels and return them back to the bloodstream. Lymph nodes. The lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped structures located throughout the body, particularly in the neck, armpit, groin, and abdomen. They act as filters for the lymph, trapping any foreign substances such as bacteria or cancer cells. The immune cells in the lymph nodes then work to destroy these harmful substances. The lymph nodes also have a rich blood supply, which helps to nourish and support the immune cells. Spleen. The spleen is an organ located in the upper left abdomen that acts as a filter for the blood, similar to the lymph nodes. It also plays a role in the production and storage of white blood cells, particularly lymphocytes and monocytes. The spleen also helps to remove old or damaged red blood cells and platelets from the circulation. Thymus. The thymus is a gland located in the chest that is responsible for the production and maturation of a type of white blood cells called T lymphocytes, which play a crucial role in the immune response. T lymphocytes, also called T cells, are a type of white blood cells that are crucial for the immune response. They are produced in the bone marrow and mature in the thymus. Tonsils. The tonsils are clusters of lymphoid tissue located in the back of the throat and help to protect against inhaled foreign substances. Tonsils also produce lymphocytes that help to identify and fight off invading microorganisms. Mucosa-Associated lymphoid tissue, MALT. MALT are small clusters of lymphoid tissue found in various mucous membranes throughout the body, such as the respiratory and digestive tracts, which also help to protect against inhaled and ingested foreign substances. MALT are an important part of the immune system. They are found in the mucous membrane, which lines the body's internal cavities and surfaces that communicate with the environment, such as the respiratory and digestive tracts. The lymphatic system also plays a crucial role in the immune response by producing, transporting, and housing white blood cells, such as lymphocytes and monocytes, which help to fight against invading microorganisms and foreign substances. Lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell, are produced in the bone marrow and mature in the thymus, spleen, and lymph nodes. These cells are responsible for recognizing and responding to foreign invaders in the body, such as viruses and bacteria. Another important function of the lymphatic system is to maintain fluid balance in the body by returning excess fluid and proteins from the tissues back into the circulatory system. This helps to prevent the buildup of fluids in the tissues and helps to keep blood pressure and fluid balance at normal levels. It is important to note that disorders of the lymphatic system, such as lymphedema, which is swelling caused by a buildup of lymph in the tissues, and lymphoma, which is a type of cancer that affects the lymphatic system, can occur. Lymphedema can occur due to injury, surgery, radiation therapy, or congenital defects that affect the lymphatic vessels. It can cause swelling in the limbs, face, or other parts of the body. Lymphoma is a cancer of the lymphatic system, which can affect the lymph nodes, spleen, and other organs. Symptoms include swollen lymph nodes, fever, night sweats, weight loss, and fatigue. The lymphatic system also plays a critical role in the body's response to inflammation, which is a natural response to injury or infection. Inflammation occurs when the immune cells in the lymphatic system respond to harmful stimuli such as pathogens or damaged cells. The immune cells release chemicals that cause the blood vessels to dilate, increasing blood flow to the affected area and bringing in more immune cells to help fight the infection. In addition to its role in the immune system and fluid balance, the lymphatic system also plays a crucial role in the body's fat metabolism. It helps to transport fats from the small intestine to the bloodstream, where they can be used as energy or stored. Overall, the lymphatic system is a vital part of the body's overall health and well-being. It helps to protect the body against disease and infection, maintain fluid balance, and play a role in the body's immune response, fat metabolism, and other important functions. It is important to take care of the lymphatic system by maintaining a healthy diet, staying active, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. It's also important to have regular checkups and screenings to detect any possible disorders or diseases of the lymphatic system as early as possible. In addition to traditional medical treatments, there are also alternative therapies such as manual lymphatic drainage massage, compression therapy, and exercise programs specifically designed for individuals with lymphedema. MLD massage is a gentle, rhythmic massage technique that helps to stimulate the flow of lymph, reduce swelling, and improve the function of the affected limb. Compression therapy, using specially designed compression garments, helps to reduce swelling and improve the circulation of lymph. It is also important to take care of the lymphatic system by avoiding activities that may cause damage to the lymphatic vessels, such as extreme heat, sunburns, and insect bites. It's also important to avoid activities that may cause injury or damage to the lymph nodes, such as excessive alcohol consumption and smoking. Overall, the lymphatic system is a complex and vital part of the body that plays a crucial role in the body's overall health and well-being. It is important to take care of the lymphatic system by maintaining a healthy lifestyle, staying active, and having regular checkups to ensure its proper functioning. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. For more videos related to human body and medical science, please hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.